Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. In this video, we will be discussing about the things that every first year engineering student should know about. So let's start with the video. So first thing is that don't waste your first year. Don't waste your time. Some of you might think that, yeah, this is just a first year. It's just the start of our college life. So let's enjoy it. But dude, don't do this. Instead of that, try acquiring new skill. Try building the new skill, try learning the new technologies, explore the new technologies so that you won't be regretting it when you will go in your third and the final year. Because at that time there are many things that you have to do. You have to build a mini project in your third year. You have to find an internship. You have to prepare for an interview in order to get a good placement. You have to brush up your coding skill. Again, there is one big project that you have to do in your final year. So at that time, you won't be getting enough time to learn these skills from scratch that are required in your industry. So instead of learning these skills in your third and the final year, try learning these skills in your first year itself so that you will be getting enough time for other activities. Just utilize your first year for the good purpose. So next thing is that networking. Networking is the most important thing. If you are an introvert, try to explore as much as you can. Try to communicate with different types of people. Try to connect with them. By doing so, you are going to build a confidence in yourself. You are going to gain access to a lot of information. You are going to get advice and support with respect to your career from different types of people. And if you are having a good fresh idea, then you can share that idea with the people having similar interest. By doing so, you are going to strengthen your business connections and maybe you will find a good business partner. So just try to improve your network, try to increase your network, try to connect with different people. This is going to help you in many ways as a student. Third thing is that learn at least one programming language, whether it might be a Python, Java, C, C++. Learn any language that you are interested in. But my personal suggestion will be that if you want to start with your programming life, start with the C programming because it's going to strengthen your coding basics. And when you will switch from C programming to the Python, you will realize that programming is actually very easy because in Python, its syntax is very simple. It's not complicated. You have to write a very short code as compared to the C programming. And by doing so, you will start getting more and more interest while doing coding. So that's why I'm saying that learn first C programming and then start with any other language. But it's not necessary that if you want to start with your programming life, you have to start with C programming only. It's not at all necessary. You can start directly with the Python, directly with the Java. You can start directly with the C++. You can start directly with any language that you are interested in. And if you want to learn these languages, you don't have to buy a particular course. You don't have to pay for it. You just because at present there are many resources available on the internet which are absolutely free. Just go on YouTube, search for the particular topic. You will get a number of playlists. Explore each and every playlist. Try to find out which playlist is easy for you to understand. Select that particular playlist and learn from that playlist. Because self-learning is always the best learning. And at present there are many websites available on the internet through which you can practice your coding. So just try to explore those sites. Fourth thing is that web development. Web development is actually a very good thing if you want to start with your programming life. There are many recent technologies available in web development. But if you want to start with web development, start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript because these are the base of our web development. And after learning these three languages, you can explore the different frameworks that are available like React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, Django, Flask. Many frameworks are available. Just explore them. And side by side, try to build projects by your own. By building project by yourself, you are going to have enough practice. And of course, projects are going to add a value to your portfolio. And again, portfolio is going to help you in finding a good internship. In case if you are planning to start with freelancing, portfolio will help you to get a good client. Portfolio is something which shows your work and you are getting paid based on your work. So just build a good portfolio and you will get a good client with the help of your portfolio. And if you are having your portfolio in your first year itself, then it's well and good. So apart from web development, you can explore the UI UX designing, graphic designing, video editing. With the help of this also you can start with freelancing. So these were the technical skills. Then apart from these technical skills, just focus on your health, have a good sleep, do exercise. As a programmer, exercise is very important, so just do it. Okay, this was all about today's video. The things which I have discussed in today's video are based on my experience. I have just wasted my first 2 years, my first year and my second year, and then in third year I realized that I have just wasted a lot of time. I'm not having the enough skill, though I was knowing the C programming, but I was not that much perfect in that. In my third year, I started with Python and web development. When I started with web development, I realized that web development is actually very easy. I should have learned this particular domain in my first year itself, so that at present I would have able to give my time to practice my DSL Go, to prepare for my interview, to brush up my coding skills and all that. I would have built a lot of projects till now. So this was the mistake which I have done in my this college life. Right now I am in third year. So I think that you should not do these mistakes. So I have made this video. Hope so you will find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section whether this video was helpful for you or not. And bye bye. See you in the next video.